So Chris coming over today, he had some trouble with the RI speakers he had at his front mids and highs section of his Escalade. So we're going to be pulling those out and putting 4 Slapz 6.5s in there, and we're going to see if we can't get his front stage ironed out. Also, here a while back we disconnected the ground terminal from his battery up front because we put him on completely on his lithium bank in the back. He's running off the lithium totally now. And so today we're going to be building his battery delete box. And I've already got the box shape complete. We just got to put it together. So if you guys are interested in any of that kind of stuff, then this is going to be in this video, along with a noisy dog. All right, Chris is here. Y'all say hi to Chris. Yo. Chris, say hi to everybody.
What up?
He's up here. We're going to put these Slapz 6.5s in his vehicle so we can start slapping. He's already running 4 Oblivion 15s in there, so we're going to get him all slapped up. Slapping it hard.
Yeah, slapping the bass. Always got to have the fire extinguisher.
Always got to have a fire extinguisher.
It ain't going to do shit for a lithium fire, but...
It's better than nothing.
It's better than nothing.
And we need to fix that door panel so it don't come loose too, huh?
That'd probably be preferable, yeah.
Do some, because right now it's like coming unsnapped every time you shut your door.
Every time.
Yeah.
Too much weight.
I went through all this, man, with the Tahoe.
I need to get a Phillips.
This is a progress thing. So, what do you got in there right now?
I got 4 6.5-inch RI audios. Those are the only things hooked up.
Yeah, the tweeters aren't hooked up right now.
Tweeters ain't hooked up, and these speakers right here need to go back to the owner.
Yeah.
Those are just there for cosmetics.
I got you. All right.
Because we made 3 holes, and we had 3 American bases in there, but we took them all out.
So, no matter how good a speaker sounds, when it starts coming apart, that's the thing. So, we're gonna put some Slapz in here. This thing has a big old magnet on it, big old booty. Sound good, but when they come apart, you know, what are you gonna do? So now we're gonna put these Slapz 6.5s in here with better cooling, better glue, better frame, just a better driver. Got him in. Chris is extra frustrated. And, but yeah, booming.
Roll up clean in the Escalade. Making that bank, all the money I make. Subwoofers lined up in the back. Dropping
yeah,
that
dude.
bass in my Cadillac. The street can't handle my pressure weight, but the lady step up when my system plays. I ain't got gold, I ain't got no bag, but I'm in control, I ain't wearing no rags. Roll out hard with a West Coast beat, dropping that hammer out on the street. I roll clean, be a night all day, but you can hear me.
So Chris has been rolling for a while now without this battery in the equation, and so we're going to pull this out and build him a battery delete box.
Okay, that screw stripped
And
out.
we're doing it full ghetto style.
That screw's completely
'Cause-
stripped out.
All right. Now, since we don't have a battery up here anymore, we don't need a fuse right here. So, team no fuse. All right. Now, roof is. Oh, you're barking at him. He gonna get you. He gonna hold you down and lick your entire face. Oh. Now we got this thing in here. Got our grounds connected. Got our positives connected. Engine's all connected. Everything is locked down. Grounds don't need installation, so they're fine. And Bob's your uncle. Fake battery.
Roll up clean in the escalade, banking that bank, all the money I make. Subwoofers lined up in the back. Dropping
yeah,
that
dude.
bass in my Cadillac. The street can't handle my pressure weight, but the lady step up when my system plays. I ain't got gold, I ain't got no bag, but I'm in control, I ain't wearing no rags. Roll out hard with a West Coast beat, dropping that hammer out on the street.